Your dream of seeing Cristiano Ronaldo and also Lionel Messi play in the same team has been made possible, but not in real life, in fantasy. World Cup fantasy is life, and in this video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to set up your World Cup fantasy team. And if you are seeing this video, make sure to give a follow so as not to miss any update, because on this space, I usually talk about anything football and fantasy. So make sure you share this video to other football lovers and fantasy lovers so as not to miss this awareness. So what we are doing first in setting up our World Cup fantasy team is to go to the App Store, search for the official FIFA app, and once you have downloaded it, just sign up. And once you have signed up, click on the fourth tab on the bottom which says play. Then you find out the FIFA World Cup fantasy. Once you have clicked on it, you'll be given an empty squad with 100 million budget to sign 15 players. But to join my league, here's my league code, and if you have any question or any difficulty in signing up or registering for the World Cup fantasy, make sure to comment below or send me a DM. And if the only fantasy you have ever played is the Fantasy Premier League, World Cup fantasy might seem a little bit different to you, but to other managers that have been playing UEFA fantasy, I think the World Cup fantasy looks very, very similar. And here are some different things in Fantasy Premier League to the World Cup fantasy. Since team will be knocked out in the World Cup fantasy, the only similarities between World Cup fantasy and FPL is from the beginning you only have 3 maximum players from each team. But as the competition goes on to the round of 16, to the quarterfinal, semi-final, you can have 4 players in round of 16, 5 players in quarterfinals, and 6 players from any team in semi-final, and also 8 players from one team in the final. Another thing different from FPL but similar to UEFA fantasy in the World Cup fantasy is you can bring on a player that is yet to play from your substitute for a player that did not perform in your starting lineup, given that the substituted player is yet to play. Now let's get to the chips one after the other. We have the wild card, which will allow you to reset your team heading into a new game week, and you have maximum transfers. We also have the qualification boosters, which means after game week 32, whichever player you have that qualifies to the next round will get extra 2 points. We have the 12th man, which when activated will allow you to add one more player to your starting 11, and the player is going to score points. We also have the maximum captain, which means at the end of that game week, when activated, your player that has the highest points will be selected as your captain. We also have the mystery booster, which is here to be reviewed. But to read more and understand more about this, just go to the FIFA Fantasy app and read more about it.